The Panhandle Counseling and Health Center is a collaboration of the Texas County Coalition and its partners. Access to care is an important issue in rural Guymon, Oklahoma, and a new health clinic is providing an answer.
It is a partnership that the Texas County Coalition created with the Oklahoma Healthcare Authority and the Oklahoma Commission on Children and Youth. And I go out and find out what the barriers are here in Texas County to accessing health care. And we form committees and work groups, and we work to address those barriers. So one of those barriers was getting a federally qualified health center here in Texas County, and we worked towards that, and here we are.
It's pretty exciting. Started a long time ago in my pastor study. You know, God knocks on your heart and says, okay, do something, and I dreamed a little bit, well, maybe we'll get a counselor or two and help in our town.
It was the right time, the right place, and the right people on board, and we successfully got a federally qualified health center out here in Texas County.
Oh, so the dream really grew from one counselor to a medical health clinic, and so we hit the ground running and researched and hired our CEO. She has done an incredible job, Sarah, in working to hire our staff, and we've just built this clinic. We're still so young.
So we treat all patients. We take insured patients, uninsured patients. We take all new Medicaid and Medicare patients. We're really here as a resource for people who have not been able to find a primary care physician in the past. That way we can treat everybody whether or not they can pay. We are not a free clinic, which has kind of been the misconception up to this point, but we do offer a sliding fee scale. So it's based on somebody's income and the number of people in their household. So we're able to really help a lot of people who have maybe not been able to find affordable care in the past. We have a wonderful staff. God has just provided such amazing people who really have a heart for serving our community.
The partnerships, I can't express what the partnerships mean to us. We have volunteers and numerous volunteer hours on a daily basis that keeps this running. And that is all just because they want to be partners with us. They have accepted this wholeheartedly and embrace what we're doing, and everybody believes in it.
And we really want to treat the patient, like I said, as a whole. So if they come in and we start to get to know them and we realize that maybe they would be a good fit for a counselor, then we can get them right in with our counselor. And maybe they've come in with a headache and they don't know why. We realize it's a tooth that's causing the issue. We can get them in with our dentist and get that taken care of as well. So it's not just your standard clinic where you come in, we put a Band-Aid on it, stitch you up, and send you on your way. We really want to be a medical home for somebody so that they can come here for anything. We can refer them out if it's something that we can't take care of here in-house. But it's really to treat the patient as a whole.
We have some tremendous volunteers, and of course you understand this is all a volunteer board, volunteer effort for our community, and I just want to say thank you to them and all of the support of our churches and community leaders, and just thanks to God for what He's doing in our town.
Yeah, I feel so blessed to be a part of what we're doing here. As I've learned a little bit more about a federally qualified health center, what it means, and the people that we can treat, and I've seen people come through the door who haven't gotten care in quite some time, and they leave with such gratitude that they were able to feel better when they walk out of the door. It's really made me so grateful to be a part of the staff here and just the common goal of what we're doing.
You know, we're kind of secluded out here in Texas County, and a lot of times what we do doesn't get noticed, and this was a big award, and I wanted everybody to know what we're doing out here, and they recognized us, and we are on the map. So it was a great deal, and we are very excited. The nomination and the getting the award means a lot to us. So.
Congratulations to the Panhandle Counseling and Health Center as this year's winner of the Community Champion Award in the Behavioral Health category.